Hi everyone, I'm Error Slayer and today, I'll show you how to generate images with Google Gemini. If you're ready, let's get started. First, open your web browser and go to gemini.google.com. Next, click the Create Image button and describe what kind of image you want to generate. And press Enter. To download the generated image, simply click the Download button in the upper right corner of the image. If you want to change anything in the generated image or add more details to it, simply type in the text box below. Now let's ask Gemini to recreate the same kitten image, but this time inside a car. As you can see, we successfully generated the images we wanted using Google Gemini. I hope this tutorial video was helpful. If so, please subscribe to the Error Slayer YouTube channel and like the video. Have a nice day.